All right, so according to the RLS or ITEL, I'm not sure which one, but it's OC Supreme Onyx Black. So that's what we have right here. All right, so this is the shingle that we're going to repair. It does have a clear crease. You can see the shingles above it do not have any creasing. This one definitely has wind damage. I'm gonna pass this off to my helper. He's gonna record me. I do have to remove, excuse me. I do have to remove the nails out of this shingle and this shingle to be able to remove the one that we're trying to repair. So here we go. All right. All right. Okay, this one should come out. All right, there's the wind damage shingle. Get my nails. All right. Here. Here. Nails. Yeah. All right, so I got the nails up here. Now I got to come and put it on this shingle. This one got damaged too. Okay. I just want to get get you up close. First of all, this shingle does not match the color whatsoever. We do have lines appearing on the shingles themselves. I don't know if you can see that in the video. That one's creased. I've got a line going across here. That one's creased. So these are now well on their way to looking just like this other wind damaged shingle. And it's a pretty, actually atrocious match. So I want y'all to see this. It's my professional opinion that this cannot be repaired. Thank you.